Right, there's a little bit of an update. I've been renovating this Cub. Washed out, gone a little bit grubby, and this is going to change significantly. And when this flies, it's flying with FPV from the cockpit. Yes. Well, that's the head tracker setup. So all that's left to do now is maiden it. Thank you for watching Team Woolly Sheep Reviews. There's more to come. Can't wait to get out of this lockdown and go flying. I need a new project. So what's coming up next? You'll find out soon. Thank you for watching Team Woolly Sheep Reviews. Bye.